South Park, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are in need of top-rated pressure washing in South Park, North Carolina, this video covers everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and achieving outstanding results for your property. Our team at Pressure Washers of South Park, NC, provides expert stain removal for residential driveways, sidewalks, and patios, leaving them looking like new again after years of wear. We also offer environmentally friendly pressure washing services to clean commercial properties, including storefronts, awnings, and equipment, keeping your business looking its best and safe from harm. We take pride in our locally owned, family-operated business that's been serving South Park, North Carolina for over a decade, using only the highest quality equipment and materials to get the job done right. From residential homes in the small towns of Cherokee County to commercial properties along Highway 9, we've got you covered with our reliable pressure washing services tailored to your specific needs and budget. Our team at Pressure Washers of South Park, North Carolina is dedicated to providing top-notch pressure washing services that get the job done efficiently and effectively. We understand that clogged drains can be a major problem in the small towns of Cherokee County, especially after heavy rainfall events like those experienced in our area during the summer months. Regular power washing can help prevent costly repairs by removing dirt, grime, and mildew that can damage siding, gutters, and other exterior features. By partnering with local business owners, we're able to offer customized pressure washing solutions that meet their unique needs and protect their property investments. Our state-of-the-art equipment is designed for efficiency and longevity, ensuring that our services don't compromise the quality of your home or business. Pressure washing can remove dirt and grime that's been tough to clean with soap and water, leaving surfaces looking and feeling like new again, making it a useful cleaning service. If you are looking for pressure washing in South Park, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, scheduling, and reliable pressure washing services for your home or business today. Click the link below to learn more